This is Teacher Janelle, and I invite you to come learn with me. This is a reading and writing practice designed for parents who wished to help their child begin to read and write. Welcome to Month 1, Week 1, getting started with sounds and simple words. Day 1, Sound and Read. We begin with long A words. Let's begin by reviewing the sound of long A. In producing long A, you make a big smile, flatten your tongue, and say ah, ah, ah. Now you try to say it. Next, let's review the following sounds. The sound of T is t, t, t. Try it. Next, M. The sound of M is m, m, m. Next is S. The sound of S, 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 s. Next, the sound of P. The sound of P is p, p, p. Now, let's try to blend the sounds to form a word. Let's try the first one. Ah, t. At, mat, mat. Now, you read with me. When I pause, you read. Let's go. Pat, pat. Sat, sat. Hat, hat. Mat, mat. Map, map. Tap, tap. Sap, sap. Lap, lap. Ham, ham. Dam, dam. Pam, pam. Sam, sam. Dear parent, for our next task, if your child will have a difficulty looking for the words, you can pause until he finds the correct word. Have patience. Now, I read and you point the word I am reading. Let's begin. Pat, pat. Tap, tap. Sam, sam. Pam, pam. Sap, sap. Sat, sat. Hat, hat. Mat, mat. Lap, lap. Map, map. Ham, ham. Dear parent, for our next task, your child would be writing the words I am going to dictate. So let them prepare a piece of paper and pencil for writing. You can pause the video if they have difficulty writing the words. Be patient. Let's begin. The first word is mat. Mat. Write down the word mat on your paper. Mat. Next word, tap. Tap. And the last word, ham. Ham. Dear kids, let's check your work. Here are the words. Now, if you got all right, that means you did a great job. But if you got one mistake too, you can always go back and try again. Now, let's do reading check. Dear parents, let's do a final check. Parents, mark one box for each successful try. First, second, third, or mastered. If your child can read all the words easily, that means they're ready for the next lesson. Now, dear parent, let your child read the indicated word. Great work today! Dear kids, keep practicing these long A words. See you tomorrow for day 2. We'll have new words to read and write together. Ta-ta for now!